Good morning, friends. Yesterday we have discussed characteristics curve and one problem related to the performance parameter. Today we are going to discuss second problem. A six-cylinder gasoline engine operates on four-stroke cycle. Bore of cylinder is 80 mm, stroke 100 mm. Clearance volume per cylinder is 70 cc at 400 rpm. Fuel consumption is 20 kg per hour and the torque developed is 150 Newton meter. Calculate brake power, brake mean effective pressure, brake thermal efficiency if calorific value of fuel is 43,000 kilojoule per kg. Find relative efficiency on brake power basis. Assuming engine works on constant volume cycle, gamma for air is 1.4. Now in this problem we have to calculate brake power, brake mean effective pressure, brake thermal efficiency and relative efficiency. First we are going to calculate the brake power. For calculating brake power we have the formula 2 pi nt divided by 60,000. In this problem n is given 4000 and torque they have mentioned 150 Newton meter. So we are going to substitute the values BP is equal to 2 pi nt divided by 60,000, which is equal to 150 into 2 pi into 4000 divided by 60,000. We got the answer 62.83 kilowatt. This is the brake power first unknown we have find. Second, we have to calculate brake mean effective pressure. For calculating brake mean effective pressure, we have the formula BP is equal to BMEP LAN divided by 60,000 into number of cylinder. In this problem, first we have calculated the brake power. Area we know that pi by 4 d square. L they have mentioned in the problem. N number of stroke they have given. So in this problem we have to take n is equal to n by 2. Number of cylinder 6 cylinder. Now we are going to substitute these values. Brake power is equal to BMEP LAN divided by 60,000 into number of cylinder. Only unknown is brake mean effective pressure. So we got the answer 6.25 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. While converting this value in bar, we got 6.25 into 6.25 bar. Next unknown, they are asking to find us the relative efficiency. Now for calculating the relative efficiency, also they have asked to calculate the brake thermal efficiency. We have the formula for the brake thermal efficiency is equal to BP upon MF into CV. Now brake power we have calculated, MF they have mentioned in the problem, calorific value is also given. So we are going to substitute the values. BP 62.83, MF they have given kg per hour, so we have to convert this. So we have divided by 3600, so 20 upon 3600, this is value of MF. CV 43,000 they have mentioned, so we are going to substitute this value. So we got the brake thermal efficiency 0.263, means 26.3%. Next they are asked to find us relative efficiency in terms of the brake power. So while calculating the relative efficiency in terms of brake power, we have the formula relative efficiency is equal to brake thermal efficiency upon air standard efficiency. Brake thermal efficiency just we have calculated. Next we have to calculate air standard efficiency. So we have the formula for the air standard efficiency 1 minus 1 upon r raised to gamma minus 1. Now in this problem the value of gamma they have given, it is 1.4. Now only unknown is compression ratio. For calculating compression ratio we have the formula total volume upon the clearance volume. Total volume means swept volume plus clearance volume. Clearance volume they have mentioned in the problem. Now we have to calculate the swept volume. For calculating swept volume we have the formula pi by 4 d square into L. In this problem they have mentioned the value of diameter and the stroke length. So swept volume is equal to pi by 4 0.8 square into 10. So we got the swept volume 502.6 cc. Now we got the value of swept volume, we knows the value of clearance volume. We are going to substitute this value in the compression ratio formula. So after substituting the value of clearance volume and swept volume, we got the compression ratio 8.18. Now once you know the value of compression ratio, you are going to calculate the air standard efficiency. Air standard efficiency 1 minus 1 upon value of r 8.18 raised to 1.4 minus 1. So you got the air standard efficiency 0.5686. Now once you got the air standard efficiency, we have the relative efficiency formula is equal to brake thermal efficiency upon air standard efficiency. Now you are going to substitute the value of brake thermal efficiency and the air standard efficiency. So relative efficiency we find 0.4625, means 46.25%. In this way, in this problem we have first find the brake power, second we have find the brake mean effective pressure, third we have find the brake thermal efficiency, and last we have find the relative efficiency. Thank you.